Oh my god, look at this, guys. Bitcoin is at a head and shoulder, and as you guys can see, if I take this from the target to the bottom of the head, we are going $1,000. Bitcoin's going $1,000. Oh my god, there's FUD. Binance isn't allowed to be in the United Kingdom. Oh my god, oh my god. It's banned in Canada, Japan, everywhere. Binance is getting... Guys, you guys need to chill and relax. Oh my god, first of all, good news. Binance UK is coming out. That's number one, okay? The same thing that they did with Bitcoin, with Binance.US, is going to happen again with Binance UK and Binance.Canada. Now, right here, guys, Binance is no longer open for business in Canada, most populous province in Ontario, okay? Guys, this is just pure FUD, as you guys can see. Okay, no, Bitcoin is not going $1,000. No, this head and shoulder is not. No, we're not going $1,000. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin didn't react so much. Regarding this news, we are still in this channel, as you guys can see. Nothing too crazy to panic, guys. Nothing too crazy. We are still in this channel. We've been bouncing up and down. That being said, no, the FUD isn't happening. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, as you guys can see, we actually saw a nice little rejection. Can this be because institutions want to buy lower? No, not also maybe also, but you never know. As you guys can see right here, Binance isn't allowed to be operating in the UK. Isn't allowed to be operating. That doesn't mean it's banned. That doesn't mean it will be banned. No. It just means that it's not regulated, and you won't have anyone to complain to in case something happens. You guys can read this article on CoinDesk. On Friday, as you guys can see, Japan's financial regulators warned that Binance is operating in the country without permission. They didn't ban it. It's still going on in Japan. They're probably going to open up Binance.Japan or whatever it is. Because why? Because every country's have their own regulation, and it makes sense, guys. It's nothing too crazy, nothing to be panicked about. Bitcoin is still the future. Look at this, Binance UK coming soon. So it's chill. Now, regarding this, guys, also nothing too much to see. We're probably going to see Binance.ca Canada or something like that. Or, the government is going to maybe not pull out in the end. I don't know. But at the end of the day, you guys have until December 31st to pull out of your asset on Binance Canada. They did the same thing to Binance.US. Yes, futures is it's a manipulated market, especially with Binance and crypto and Bitcoin. So at the end of the day, they're only protecting you guys, especially the people who don't know how to trade. That's why they're doing this. They're not banning Bitcoin. No, they're banning exchanges that are being manipulated right now, like Bybit, Binance, etc. Okay, so nothing too much to see over here. Let's have a short technical analysis on Bitcoin now, because we're already at it. Anyways, if we have a look at the EMA ribbons right now on Bitcoin, nothing too much to see over here. We are actually still can't attempt to break above the EMA ribbon, but on a daily time frame is actually more important. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a nice little run to 35,000 by the end of tomorrow, to be honest. And peek at that EMA ribbon, the 20 exponential moving average, which is the yellow line. Having a look at the RSI right here, we have a lot of room to grow. We are still on a bullish divergence, as you guys can see. We got a nice little decrease on the chart and a nice little increase on the chart. Having a look at the weekly, same thing, guys. The weekly average, the weekly RSI, it's still the same thing. Nothing too much to see over here. No new update right here. Boom, boom, going up. Okay, hidden bullish divergence. Very, very good, very bullish. So that being said, let's have a look. This was a death cross that we had a few days ago, or last week. Right here, we got the 50 moving average crossing over the 200 moving average, which is the blue line. And ever since, yes, we've been on a downtrend, guys. Yes, can we paint a bear flag right now before going down farther to 24,000? Yes, very possible. Will it happen? Who knows? This is why we have to prepare and trade from reaction and not predict what's going to happen in 2-3 days from now, because in reality, no one's going to know what's going to happen in 2-3 days from now. But what I can tell you is that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 very, very soon. That's what I could tell you. Having a look at the moving average right now, this is the death cross we saw on the 22nd of June. Nothing too crazy. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw a nice little one. We actually saw a bull cross right here, or a golden cross, as you guys would say, and it was a failed attempt essentially. Right here, if we zoom in real quick, we are actually forming a nice little W pattern, as you guys can see on the 4-hour time frame. And we got rejected by the 50 moving average. Now, in my opinion, this would be the neckline right here. This right here, okay? If we manage to break above 35,000, I wouldn't be surprised if we could make a run to 40,000. Now, 40,000 is the big level to watch. That being said, nothing to do yet until further confirmation. Of course, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever you guys want. Give me your feedback, and I will see you guys tomorrow.